Good morning, everyone. Let's take a look at gold. So, last 2 weeks, we had a bullish breakout at the end of last week from this weekly consolidation in the form of a triangle. And now we're having a follow through. So, a lot of people asking me, should we buy? Should we sell gold? Obviously, a breakout is a bullish, not a bearish. So, you shouldn't be fading this. This is a weekly chart. We had an impulsive movement followed by this correction that's been ongoing for about 1.5 years, all of this. Now, we finally last week had a bullish breakout plus a continuation. So you shouldn't be looking to fade this. You should be looking to buy the dip because impulse is followed by a corrective action, price action, followed by another impulse. And another impulse will be targeting, if it's equal legs, it's going to be, 3,000 easy. So monthly, we're definitely going to be challenging these highs here, and then probably these highs here. So let's actually dial in a little bit and take a look. So don't chase it up here now. You're late to the party. Now, what you want to do is wait for some kind of pullback. Highly likely you're going to have a retest of this trend line at some point. We can actually move this a little bit. 1 second. There we go. And like this. Just adjusted it a little bit. So as you can see, we did have a breakout on the daily, a pullback exactly to this trend line. As you can see here, we closed right above it, and then we have a continuation. So at this point, I would be looking to go long somewhere around 1880 to 1870 level. So somewhere around this vicinity is a good level to buy. Where's my markers? There you go. So something like this. In this area, I would be looking for, on a 4-hour basis, a dip and then a continuation. So something like something happened, some similar price structure like here. We had a breakout, we had a pullback into the moving average cloud, as you can see, and pretty much I want to see the same thing. It might go a little low. It can go below this level a little bit, but as long as the moving average is pointing up, you should be buying, not selling. So you could fade 1900, for example, and try to catch a few pips, but it's a stupid way of doing this. So let the bullish price action actually trade with the trend instead of trying to fade it and be constantly stopped out, as a lot of noobs are. So, or if you really want to try to fade this, you should have at least very tight risk control so it doesn't run away from you, because this thing can run away another 20, 30 points easy, and you're going to be sitting with a huge loss. So something like this, moving average, boom, continuation. I'll be looking to buy somewhere around from 1780, from 1870 to 1880 level, maybe a little lower. But like I said, as long as the moving averages are, all three moving averages are pointing upwards, wherever it lands and starts bouncing. So, for example, you wouldn't just leave an order here. You would want to see some kind of bullish candle, kind of like this, or even like this, confirming that the buyers are stepping in. So let's say you didn't buy it here, but you bought it here. You still have plenty of upside to make money. So similar situation here. You want the price create a pullback, then some kind of um, reversal pattern in candlesticks, and then you once you have confirmation in the form of the candlestick formation, you can go long. So above this candle here, you could have put a buy stop order and enjoy the ride. So similar thing here. Don't be afraid to be late to the party, so to speak. So like I said, even if you don't buy it exactly on some kind of moving average bounce, you can always buy a little later, but with greater confirmation, and you just put your stop below the lows. So you risk 5-10 points to make 20 easy or more. So this would be the play for gold on the 4-hour and 1-hour time frames. So If you want to actually trade this in an easy mode way, you can just get our apexbull momentum. As you can see, when it's blue, meaning bullish, you buy. When it turns gray, you sell, but you don't need to sell. You can just move buy again in the uptrend. You just keep on buying. So you buy it again here and here. So somewhere around these levels. And if you want to learn more about this, more than welcome to stop by apexbull.com for more information on the indicator. So it's a simple tool to help you visually buy and sell. Uh, as you can see, pretty fucking accurate. So hope it helps and answered a lot of your questions. Buy the dip, wait for the small pullback correction, and actually something like this could work as well. Oh, goddamn. There we go. So as you can see, we are in this bullish channel, and if the price drops exactly to this trend line, you could try the longs, and stop would be below this swing low here, or even better here. So buy the dip, wait for it. Don't chase up here, and don't fade if you don't know how to trade counter trend. And most noobs are trading counter trend, and they get stepped out, get frustrated. So don't do that. All right. Hope this helps. Stop by a free Telegram group for more info. Link is in the description page.